Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Allow me to share to you one skill that every freelancer must have knowledge with. Every business nowadays should take advantage of running Facebook ads and be able to leverage digital marketing. Creating ad campaigns in Facebook is an essential part of a business during these modern days. There are millions of people that are using Facebook right now, and so this makes Facebook quite a very promising tool for running advertisements. The secret just lies onto how you properly position and target those people that might show interest in your business or might use your professional services. Boosting a post on your page right now is no longer a trend. There's a more advanced way, and that is creating a campaign within your Facebook Ads Manager account. Let me show you how it's done. First, you have to create a business Facebook page and have full control of it. Go to business.facebook.com, select a specific page you wish to run the campaign. Go to All Tools, click Ads Manager, and you'll get routed to this page where you could see the campaigns you've made so far, or if you haven't started anything yet, you'll see the Create button there. In creating a campaign, you have to think, what results would you want to achieve out of it? Maybe brand awareness, reach, traffic, engagement, app installs, video views, lead generation, messages, conversions, catalog sales, and store traffic. You can select one thing right here that you think would work best for your business. Right now, for this tutorial, I'll select lead generation as an option. Then hit continue, and you can actually freely edit the campaign name whichever you want or however you would want it. And then special ad categories if it's under credit, employment, housing, or social issues, or elections, or about politics. And for me, since it's all about real estate, then I'll be selecting housing, and then the country, of course, where you would want the ads to show up. So for me, I want it to show up in the United States. And then after that, once you have set that up, you can just hit next. And then you could also edit the name of the ad set. So for me, I'll put ad set 1, and then the method, instant forms, and then view terms. You just have to click that and you'll get routed to this page. And once you have accepted the terms, close that and go back to the campaign that you are creating. And then your budget and schedule. So it's up to you whether you would want to run your ads on a daily basis or good for a month. Let's say you have a lifetime, you have allocated a certain budget for your ad campaigns. So you could just do lifetime budget. That way, all of all of the budget that you have, set aside for that specific ad will be used for that purpose. So the the minimum budget on a daily basis is around 53 pesos, and if you're going to use lifetime budget, its minimum requirement for the amount is 1618 point cents. So how many cents, or let's round that up to 1,619 pesos. And then you could either run the ads for a month, or just for a week, or a week or two, depending on your budget. And then scroll down and edit the audience. So you want to make sure that you select the correct location, and for this I would want to target those people that are living or recently just in this location. And since my target is the United States, I would put here United States, or a specific state. Let's say, Texas, or probably, any state around the US. So, but in my case, I'll just generalize it and put United States, because this is just a sample. But you can specify this one to, to more specific address, and type the city or state that you would want your ads to show up. And then for this one, since it's a housing, age and gender is already by default. Show more options, then detailed targeting. So in this part, you will use keywords that, the people that you are specifically targeting with already has an interest on it, or that already shows interest to these types of words, and they kept on searching it, or by demographics. You could do that. I mean, you could type one word there that best suits your ad campaign, and then you just have to select or click suggestions beside it, and it will show you all of the you know all of the words that's connected to that specific interest. Let's say house. And if you hit suggestions, it'll show you a lot, or all of those words that are incorporated, that's incorporated with the house word that you have searched for. Like, everything will just show up there. You just have to select everything that suits your campaign. The more specific you are, the better. And then move to the placements. We'll hit manual placements, and then deselect everything but Facebook for the platforms, and deselect everything but Facebook newsfeed for the placements, because you want to make sure that all of your budget will be allocated to that very specific placement. It's not all over the place. So for this, it's up to you if you would want to use conversion leads, or just leads, and it's up to you how you will nurture them on your database. So for this one, I'll just hit leads, and then next, and then new lead generation ad. You could just rename that to however you would want it, for you to easily track it. And then you could use single image or video, or you could do multiple images or videos in a carousel mode, and you could upload that here, and then type the primary text and the message that you would want to imply to them. And then always for the call to action, always select learn more. And since we've we've selected instant forms, then you could create a form here on your own. If you want me to create a separate video for that, please let me know on the comment section below, and I'll create a separate video on how you would create a form inside an ad campaign. And so you will see a preview here beside your monitor, and you will see how it'll look like if it's going to be published. So once you're done, you can just easily publish it and wait till Facebook approves your ad, and you're ready to go. If you have any questions, leave a comment on the comment box below, and I'll be more than happy to address that for you. Any questions, don't hesitate to ask. See you guys on my next video. Bye.